Department of Mechanical Engineering, CMRIT Institute of Technology, Bangalore. And also I am a head Center of Excellence for Additive Manufacturing. And with me, Professor Chethan Kumar ji. He is a research member of this Center of Excellence and also Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. With the endeavor to bring research and development in the field of additive manufacturing, especially 3D printing, we have set up this Center of Excellence for additive manufacturing. So in this lab, we have developed different varieties of printers. For example, these are the two FDM-based printers we have developed in-house. And along with this, we have developed different varieties of composites that are thermoplastic materials. With this basic research, we are working on product development and process development and material development. So all these activities are taking place in this lab. Not only with this technology, and also we have developed few products in the field of medical application. For example, this is one product we have developed for oxygen ventilation system. And apart from that, and also we have worked on implants development. So nowadays, what is happening? So there are so many commercial products out there which are available in the market, and those are all metal based. Yes, of course, metals are strong in steel, and all the metals they have some disadvantages too. For example, yield strength, right, and also formation of cracks. So 1 out of 15 patients will be having such kind of issues with this metal implants. To looking into this problem or issues, we have come up with a material that is composite material that too in polymer thermoplastic material. So we have developed individual and novel material for medical application, that too implants, which Professor Chethan Kumar is going to highlight about it.
Hello everyone. So we have developed various products to help the physically challenged. One of our students who lost his vision in second year of engineering, we developed a product named PhotoBook, where a 2D image is converted into 3D, so that student can feel it, understand and present the same, which helped him to clear his engineering successfully. As a part of COE activity, we have been participating and presenting our research and innovation in various national and international exhibitions. Recently, we have participated in I2 Academy Pavilion, IMTEX 2022. It is organized by Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association, held at Bangalore International Exhibition Center, where we secured first place with the cash grant.
We would like to express our sincere gratitude to CMRIT management and principal sir for their constant support and motivation. Thank you, CMRIT.